Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add border in the Lightroom app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one photo that you want to edit and add the border to. Now to add the border, here you can find the option of share button. Now select it. Now tap on to the add border and share option right here. Finally, here you can see the border has been added to your photo. Now choose one style of the border that you like the most, and you can also add the color of your liking to the border. You can also apply the thickness to the border just like this. After editing, save the photo on your gallery. And that's it. This is how you can add border to your photo in the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.